Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.